Okay, come.
Thanks, sir.
Jai Hind, Nisha, please sit down.
Thank you.
So your name is Nisha. What does it mean?
Sir, it's me night.
Night.
Yes.
Okay. Which place do you come from?
Sir, I'm from Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. So tell me something about Agra. What is happening in Agra? What kind of developments are taking place around your residence? And where do you see this place is going to come up in the next 5 years?
Sir, I feel after coming BJP and Yogi Adityanath, it's developing much more. So it's developing like recently metro also came into Agra. And if I tell something about Agra history, Agra was capital of Uttar Pradesh in 1836.
Okay.
And Agra is famous for, as we all know, that Taj Mahal. It is World Heritage Site also, and there is sweet which called petha. So it is famous for also that. And in my opinion, Agra will be more developing district in previous history future.
Okay.
Yes.
And how many days have you spent in Dehradun?
So it's been 1 week.
So how has been your stay?
So it was overall good.
Good.
I have experienced many more things.
So have you been to Dehradun earlier?
Yes, sir. I have visited with my family to visit there.
How many years back and for what purpose?
Sir, we just came to visit here and before 1.5 years.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you compare your place with Dehradun?
Sir, Agra is very polluted or and if I compare Dehradun to Agra, Dehradun is very peaceful city because there is mountains and other rivers and all. So this is all.
Okay. So during the next few minutes, we'll talk more about you
Yes.
and cover various areas like your education, your family, your interest,
Yes.
your hobbies, other spare time activities in detail.
Yes.
I have your PIQ with me. This tells me something about you,
Yes.
but I want to know more. This more you will tell me. So
Yes.
feel free to discuss about yourself and your activities as we proceed along.
Yes, sir.
Since you are a student
Yes, sir.
and not working, so we will start with the education first. Suppose you tell me about your education starting from class 10th onwards.
Okay, sir.
I would like to know your favorite subjects
Okay.
and the subjects you did not care much about. Grades and percentages that you achieved in various exams.
Okay, sir.
The co-curricular, extracurricular activities which were available to you,
Okay, sir.
out of which the activities that you participated and your achievements in those activities.
Okay, sir.
Thereafter, you can tell me about the friend circle you had in school and college. Who are your close friends? Why do you feel they are close to you? And if there are some friends whom you avoided, that also you can tell me.
Okay, sir.
About the teachers whom you like very much and the ones who have not impressed you for some reason.
Yes.
Again, I would like to know the reason.
Yes.
Finally, what is your ambition in life and how do you want to achieve your ambition?
Yes.
Yeah,
Start?
you get it, yeah.
So actually, my father is in education sector. He has 12th. He has school, which is till 12th.
Hmm.
So my father just filled a form or degree to 10 from there 10th for 10th. So I have been in private school for only education because my father's school is in village. So I just done my 10th and 12th from city, which I have been lived in Agra. So in 10th, there were many teachers. So which because of them I was not so much impressed because I feel like they were more interested in some other students, like partiality, which I can say. And my favorite subject was maths and English.
Okay.
And I just got 85 marks in maths and 90 in English because I was in UP board, state board. And my friend circle was also not much bigger because I just gone to my father's school because I have just separated from my friends, and then my school was changed. I just did 10th from other school, and I just did my 12th from other school.
Okay.
Yes.
Co-curricular activities, your ambition, your efforts.
So my I like dance. So whenever I just got opportunity to show my dance or my activities. I just participated in that field, like in 15th August or 26th Jan, or other when other schools participate. Other schools came to our school, so that means.
Okay.
Yes.
So you said your father has got a school,
Yes, sir.
but you said father is MSc chemistry and is doing service.
Yes, sir.
What service is he doing?
So he has school
That is service.
in education sector.
See, service means he either in a private job or a government job.
So it's private job. I mean that.
So you could have said that he is a principal or runs a school.
He is just director.
He is a director.
Yes, sir.
So he runs that school. He owns that school.
Yes, sir.
How many students are there?
So it's approx 1,000.
1,000 students.
Yes, sir.
And he is. You have studied in the same school.
I just went there to I just went there for exams, like board exams.
Mm-hmm.
I just done my schooling from the other school in cities.
Okay, but it was affiliated to your father's school.
Yes, sir.
Your father's school is UP State Board.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You studied somewhere, but in father's school you gave the exam
Yes, sir.
of class 10.
Yes, sir.
But then the school is still which class?
It's 12th.
Why you did not do 12 from there?
Because sir, there was also a school in Agra which is girls school, BDJ Girls Center College. So it's very famous for schooling. So just my father said like you should go there. It's government school. So he just told me to go there
So
instead.
till 10th you studied in co-education.
Yes, we can say.
Till 10th
Yes, sir.
you were in co-education or only girls school?
No, co-education.
Co-education.
Yes.
But after that you changed over to only girls.
My father suggested me. Like,
You did not say I want to study in co-ed.
no, it was not intentionally or I wanted to do this. I just focused on education or being educated.
So that was regular school and you gave exam
No,
there.
it was regular school.
So, but how was it possible that you studied in some school and gave exam?
So
in a-
actually, it was my father's friend's school.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So that was their decision.
Alright. So it was between you, your father and his friend.
Yes.
Good. You got good marks in class 10th, and then I see that in your BSc you were down to 58%. How do you
Yes, sir.
justify that?
Because I was in dance. Like when I went to college, so I was indulged in dancing or doing performance. So that was the first reason, and second reason was I was not that much aware to get knowledge, or we can say when I was giving my exam, so that was a paper was leaked.
Mm-hmm.
So because of that, next paper didn't happen. So we can say like it was university's fault.
But
Because
the
they-
paper was not held,
No, sir.
and you were given marks just like that.
Yes. And who just did fault? They got first position or get the opportunity, get a good
There was
opportunity.
more marks.
Yes, sir.
But you know, among the people who got just somebody would have got more marks also. How did they get more marks?
So it was just mixed up, like who just did fault or get with the went with police also. They just passed with first position, and who just did so much practice or do anything. They just
So what type of graduation you did? BA, BSc?
BSc Bachelor of Science,
BSc. What subjects?
Physics, Chemistry, Maths.
That you completed in 2022.
Yes, sir.
What have you done from 22 till now?
So now I am pursuing B.Ed.
Okay.
Yes,
You are doing B.Ed.
yes,
Now B.Ed is 2 years.
yes, sir.
You are in second year.
Yes, sir. Now I am yes, sir. In the semester. sixth semester.
So 2 years means how many semesters?
I guess 4.
4. So you are in second semester or third semester?
I'm in second semester.
Second. That means 1 year we had a break.
No, sir.
Hmm.
Again, it is my father's friend's college.
Okay.
So basically, I just went to Delhi when I completed my graduation in 2022. I went to Delhi and he just filled a form from his friend's college. So whenever he called me, I just came and gave exam.
So you joined in 2023.
Yes, sir.
So 1 year in between you did nothing.
2022, he just after completed my exams or getting result, I just went to Delhi. He just filled a form in August, and I completed my graduation in April. So I didn't take any gap.
No, but see, this PCM graduation is 3 years.
Yes, sir.
You joined college in 19 or 20?
I just joined college in 2019.
19. So 20, 21, 22, 3 years you finished your graduation.
Yes, sir.
And 22 you filled up the form.
Yes, sir.
And 22 you joined.
Yes, sir.
You should have been third or fourth semester
So
now.
I also asked to my father this, but he said like B.Ed is like it happens this way. So I
So
don't
you
have any
attend
idea.
regular classes of B.Ed you attend?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Because I was in Delhi, so that's why I didn't.
So far how many classes of B.Ed you have attended?
Not only one.
Not attended.
Yes, sir.
But after next year you will get B.Ed degree.
Yes.
How?
It's my father procedure. He just used as a backup plan because
No,
he's
that is okay, you will get a B.Ed degree, but you are not doing B.Ed on ground.
yeah, but I just went there to give exams or practicals.
So whole year you are not studying, but you gave only for exams
Yes,
and
sir.
practice, no?
Yes, sir.
So exam you will be appearing.
Yes, sir.
First semester exam you gave,
Yes, sir.
now you are in second semester.
Yes, sir.
When is the second semester exam?
So it's maybe in July
What
or
are
August.
the subjects in B.Ed?
So it's maths and physics semester.
So why B.Ed? What is your plan with the B.Ed?
So, as I mentioned, my father is in education sector. He just said to me to get a backup plan, so I can get government position.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is your ambition? What is your ambition in life? What do you want to become?
So I want to join armed forces, Indian Army.
You have cleared NDA exam.
CDS.
So how many CDS attempts you gave?
So this was my third attempt and first SSB.
So 3 out of 3 exams you gave, you cleared once.
Yes, sir. This was my first.
NDA was not applicable to you.
When I was in college last year, I just gave exam and I just gave NDA, but I couldn't qualify it.
Only once.
Yes, sir.
And apart from these, any other competitions you gave?
No, sir.
JEE or NEET?
No, sir.
No, nothing.
No, sir.
So you want to become a military officer, and if I ask you, what are the qualities in you that you will become a good military officer?
Okay. So, in my opinion, I don't give up easily. I have determination to. I can lose, but I will not give up. And I have determination to do that work which I have been told, or I can influence others to by my things or by my perception. So it's like I have leadership quality. So yes.
So do you have a role model in your life?
Yeah, I can say my father.
So what are the qualities of your father that you would like to follow and emulate?
Yes. So he is a social person.
Okay.
My father is the youngest son of son between his brothers. So he just walks with each and every brother of him. So I just want to be like him. Like I will walk with every person with whom I am connected. So that's.
All right. If not military, then what other career you want to do?
So I like to be a dancer.
So what kind of dancing you do?
So I like Bollywood dancer. I like to be a Bollywood dancer, and I know a little bit of every step.
So have you taken any coaching, training for dancing,
Not yet, sir.
or learning on your own,
Yes.
watching the screen or something like that?
Yes.
All movie songs you can dance.
Yes.
You dance in Bharat, Shadi and all.
Yes.
Okay. But then why are you not training? If you actually want to become dancing, you could take professional training from a dancing school.
So I feel I can show my dance in armed forces also, like ball parties and all.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's my hobby. It's not my passion.
You can do ballroom dance and salsa and all everything.
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm much more comfortable in Bollywood, but I can do little bit of every dance.
Okay. And you know, the apart from dancing, there must have been other co-curricular activities in school. You did not participate.
No, sir.
Only dancing.
Yes.
So you studied from class 1 to class 10 in one school.
Yes, sir. 1 to 12, 1 to 10th one school, and then 11 and 12 from other school.
And the college you had this Agra college is
Yes.
a co-education
Yes, sir.
or it's only girls?
No, girls and boys both.
So tell me about your friends. Who are the close friends? Why do you feel they are close?
Okay, sir. So, sir, when I joined first year in college, I have very big circle of friends, like who were supporting or do every single work with together. But after coming in second or third year, they just they just uh, they were not they were not touched with every single person, and now I have only one best friend, and she inspires me, she motivates me in every field. When I do any wrong thing, she just tells me like it's not good for you. So it's like that.
Only one friend.
She is my best friend.
And otherwise, how big is your circle?
So I'm very friend person. I'm very family person. If I go anywhere or any new place, I can make friends very easily.
In your group, there are boys also.
Yes, sir.
So, what kind of activities do you participate when your friends are around? What all do you do for entertainment, enjoyment?
So I'm a very jovial person. I try to make a person laugh. If a person is sad in front of me, I just try to make that comfortable. And this is the thing. And if they have any problem in studies or in any field, I just try to be giving them that comfort zone.
So, do you celebrate the birthday parties and all among friends, or do you have the birthday parties at home?
So once or twice I have celebrated my birthday party with friends when I was in Delhi in PG. So
Outside or at home?
when I was in Delhi, I just celebrated my birthday at PG also and outside also.
Okay. So, what is the most challenging situation you have faced till now during your study times?
So it's just I want to clear my. I just want to clear what I have decided. I just want to clear my SSB or give that.
Or any mistake you have done so far that you would not like to repeat?
I don't want to. I don't want to waste my time anymore. I don't want to give a person that. I don't want to give that person that place who will hurt me, who hurts me or anything. I just want to clear my exam or focus on my aim.
Alright. That gives me a good idea about your education background. Now, I would like to know about your family.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your father, your mother, your brothers, sisters. What are they doing?
Yes.
Their education, their occupation. How do you spend time together? Your activities at home.
Yes.
Whom do you approach when you have a problem, or when you want to confide some secret? And how much pocket money you get? How do you spend that money? Who are your friends in the neighborhood? What kind of activities you participate along with them?
Yes. So there are 4 members, including myself in my family, my father, my mother, my youngest brother, and me. So my father is post-graduated to chemistry, and he has a college. He is a 12th school, and when I was 7, my father just my mother is not in this life. When I was 7, he just died. She just died. So it's like my father did second marriage because of me and my brother, because he just wanted to he just wanted to give us a good life, a good future. They didn't want to interrupt any kind of thing, like because of relative or any other member. So he did second marriage. And my brother is in college. He is a BA student. He has uh, he has psychology and English subjects.
Okay.
So it's like, and I'm when I just feel low or I have to share some secrets, so my brother is always there for me. I share every little thing with him.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like this. And about pocket money, so I feel I don't uh, I don't like to beg for money to my father. Whenever I need, he just gives me by himself.
Okay.
I don't like to ask for the money. So it's like he just gives me by himself. And my neighborhood, I'm very family person. Everybody knows me in very respectful way. Like she's very good-hearted, or she's very indulged in her studies, or she's very familiar to everybody. So it's like this.
So what is the age of your father and mother?
So my father is 48, and my second mother is 30.
30.
Yes,
With too much of age difference.
yes, sir. She's actually divorced.
She's also divorced.
Yes, sir.
And what kind of relationship do you share with your stepmother?
So it's good.
Good?
Yes, sir.
More like friends?
No, not at all. But she's also a jovial person. But she has she's like a child who gets angry so easily, who gets happy easily.
Mhm.
It's like that. And when my father did second marriage. He just put the situation, put the condition like they will not birth other child.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like that. So we are good in relationship.
So how is the relationship between your stepmother and father?
So it's good. Sometimes it just makes worse, like because of I feel it's because of me, because I feel she just feels like my father is much more closer to us in comparison to her. So she sometimes feels insecure, like I don't have other child, or they also behave with me like this. So sometimes she feels insecure. Otherwise,
That's what I'm asking. What is your relationship with your stepmother?
it's good.
What
Sometimes,
kind of
sometimes
interaction do you have? What kind of talks you do? Because a grown-up girl and mother are like sisters.
yes, sir.
They talk so much, they share everything. But you say that you share everything with brother,
Yes,
but not with mother.
no,
Why so?
sir. I feel she influences from everybody so easily. When other person tells anything, she just convince.
So do you mean to say that she is slightly immature-ish?
Yes, sir. She is.
Immature-ish.
Yes.
Can you tell me certain things that you have discussed with brother but not discussed with your mother?
Sir, almost everything I share with my brother. Not a single thing I share with my mother.
What will happen if you share with her?
I feel she is not trustworthy, or she can use
You don't have
it in a.
trust. You don't trust her so too much.
Yes, or maybe I can say I'm not that much frank with her. So she can. I feel if
So
I
is
share,
it to do something from her side or from your side?
so it's from both of sides. Because I feel if a person shows their reality check or shows their personality, I will behave in that way. If she is good with me, I will be more good than her. So it's like
Can
that.
you give me some examples? Why it has developed like this? There must have happened something, must have happened sometime.
Yes, sir.
Because of otherwise nothing, there is no fire without,
Yes, sir. Fuel or
there is no smoke without fire.
yes, sir.
So tell me, if something must have happened because of which this relationship has become like this, because you are also grown up now, 28, you understand everything.
Yes, sir.
So where is the conflict?
So it's just as I already mentioned, like when my father did second marriage, he just put the condition like they will not
They will not have
they will
child.
not birth they will not birth any child. They will not give any birth of child.
Okay.
So she just uses this thing when my father and she has any fight or because of little thing. Like my father has promised her to go her to market in the evening, and if he is busy it's somewhere, so she just makes a very much a big thing to this, like if I have child, so you will not do this. So that's like thing.
So, any reason why she wants to a divorced lady?
So it's very negative perception from my side. I don't know. It should not like this, but I have it because
No,
she
it's
has
okay. That is your perception. Your
she has made that image in front of me and my brother.
So you share the room with brother or share the room?
Brother.
Fine. And what are the qualities in your brother that you like?
He understands me. He supports me whenever, like if I am lagging somewhere, he makes me understand. Like it's not, he's younger to me, but still he understands me. Like it's not good or it's not right. So it's like.
Now tell me about your spare time activities, your interests, your hobbies, games and sports. What reading habits, newspapers, magazines, internet, and what routine do you follow when you are at home?
Okay. So I'm sharing this from last 6 months when I have started for written exams. So in my spare time, I just listen music or dance because it's make my feel peaceful. It makes my mind peaceful, and I wake up at I wake up for 4:30. I just freshen up and go to my friend's house to do some exercise at 5:30. And after returning there, I just make fruit shake. So because for me and my brother, and at 7:30 I just attend my online class, and at 9:30 after completing my class, I just take around, like if there is any work of house, so I do that, and like again I just started studying.
Do you read newspapers?
No, sir.
No. Then how do you find out what is happening in the world?
So I do current affairs from videos.
So you know the results have election results have come.
Results I know.
Are you aware about election results?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Little bit.
So none of the parties have got full majority this
Yes.
time. Why the result BJP was so strong? Why suddenly this kind of result has come?
So in my opinion, there was not much that not that much support from uh, population, like in Ayodhya. Modi has done so good work by making Ram temple, but he just loses there.
Okay.
So I feel I feel audience didn't support him.
What is the current situation between Israel and Hamas as on yesterday or day before yesterday?
So I'm not aware of
You
that.
know what is Israel and Hamas? क्या हो रहा है उनके बीच में?
So I know, but I'm not confident to share this. Like I know little bit. Yes.
Tell me two things in your personality that you feel are very good, and two things that you would like to improve.
So I can make a person influential.
Okay.
I can make someone understanding. I can make them understand by sharing anything. I feel I have teaching ability. So if I have know something about, so I can I can give them my knowledge.
So it was very interesting discussion or talk we had. I came to know about you. Thank you so much,
Yes, sir.
and I wish all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
And whatever activities are scheduled for the day and for subsequent days and coming days till your SSB,
Yes, sir.
continue doing your hard work. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.